Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to InfoGamer. For this video, I have some exciting news. No baby yet, but today we are officially announcing the release of our new mobile game, which can be downloaded for free on both Android and iOS. Our new game is called Brick Breaker Battle, which features a fun new twist on the classic game Brick Breaker. Our version of Brick Breaker features an octagon-shaped playing field and is up to 8 players in matchmaking. Each player is given one face of the octagon as their end zone that they need to protect. There are then bricks in the center of the octagon that give the players points when their colored balls collide with them. The goal of this game is to survive the longest and score the most points. But when an enemy ball collides with your end zone, it then removes a life, and if you run out of lives, you are then removed from the game. But don't worry, because our quick start matchmaking system allows you to load back into a new match with little downtime. Now, in addition to this announcement, I do want to give you a bit of a heads up in this video with regards to creating multiplayer games. So if you're planning on creating a multiplayer game in the future, you should be aware that probably the hardest thing with regards to multiplayer games is growing an audience for your multiplayer experience. Now, it's not so hard for a AAA title company to release the latest installment of their Call of Duty or Halo and immediately have a good strong player base to participate in their multiplayer experience. But for us smaller companies and indie developers, this is a great challenge because we still have to grow an audience just as if we were creating a single player game. But with a single player game, it doesn't matter if you have 1 download or 1,000,000 downloads, each individual player can still be entertained in the same way. But when you create a multiplayer game, you're kind of dependent on having a player base in order to get the best experience. And so my advice for those of you that are just starting out and are thinking about creating a multiplayer game is to design a game that is still fun to play even if there's just one person playing it. And that is what I hope I've done with Brick Breaker Battle. Even if you're playing it by yourself, it's still got the same playability as classic Brick Breaker. But with that said, I'm now asking all of you, all of our subscribers, and all of our Discord community to please help promote this game and also play our game at a designated time when you can, based on your region. And so no matter where you are in the world, if you could jump on our game and play it for just a few minutes every day at, let's say, noon and 7 p.m., hopefully we'll be able to get some good matches and increase the player base for the multiplayer experience. Now, I'm also going to be hopping on Brick Breaker Battle at those times, and so if you're living in the US West region, there's a high chance that you will be matched with me. And so if you see the name BitOps, know that that's me playing the game too. Now, we'll probably only need to have these designated times for the first few weeks of the game's release, and I'm hoping that the game will then gain traction and you'll be able to play and match with people at any time of the day. Now finally, I want to thank all of you for your support on this channel. It means so much to us that you're willing to subscribe and watch our videos. I also want to thank you in advance for your help in promoting this game, Brick Breaker Battle. Once again, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can be up to date with all our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.